Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about some common idioms that we use in English language. So, first we start with what is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a different meaning from the literal meaning. For example, in this video we would learn 10 common idioms which together mean something else on the literally, but on the under level it means something else. Number 1, hit the books. The meaning of the idiom hit the books means to study. We can make a sentence, for example, like this: you better hit the books if you want to pass the test. So, over here we are telling somebody to study so that the person can pass the test. Idiom number 2, by the skin of your teeth. This idiom means to just barely get by or make it. If we write it in a sentence, it would be like, I woke up late this morning, I just made it here by the skin of my teeth. Like over here, the person means to say that the person had woken up in the morning late and he or she just reached his or her destination on time. Idiom number 3, on the ball. The meaning of this idiom is quick to understand or react to things. When we apply it in a sentence, it would appear like, I can't believe you got that assignment done so quickly. You are really on the ball. That means the person is appreciating somebody's understanding skills. Idiom number 4, find a needle in a haystack. Meaning, almost impossible to find. For example, when we use this idiom in a sentence, it would be, I tried to find my lost key on the sandy beach, but it was like trying to find a needle in a haystack. So the person says that he is trying to find, he or she is trying to find something which is impossible to be found easily. Idiom number 5, sleep on it. Meaning, to think about something for a while. So, to sleep on it means to ponder upon something. For example, when we use it in a sentence, it would appear like, if you aren't sure what to do, sleep on it and let us know what you decide tomorrow. Idiom number 6, sit tight. It means to wait patiently. When we use it in a sentence, it would appear like, our teacher told everyone to sit tight, don't leave the classroom. So, over here in the sentence, it means that a teacher has instructed the class to wait patiently and not leave the classroom until further instructions is given. Our next idiom is up in the air. This idiom means things are uncertain or unsure. When we use this idiom in a sentence, it becomes like, I don't know what our plans are. Things were sort of up in the air the last time we talked. So, the person is expressing his or her view that when the last time they were talking about the plans, it was about an uncertain and unsure. Idiom number 8, piece of cake, meaning very easy. When we use it in a sentence, it is like, I thought I was going to fail the test, but it turned to be a piece of cake. So, the person concerned was thinking that he or she would fail, but it appeared to be very easy. That's why it is referred as a piece of cake. Idiom number 9, twist someone's arm. Literally, this means to hurt somebody, but actually, the meaning of this idiom is to convince someone. So when we use this idiom in a sentence, it appears like I had to twist her arm a little, but she agreed. So somebody had convinced someone with, to agree with the concerned person. Finally, our last idiom for the day is break a leg, meaning good luck. So when we use this in a sentence, it becomes you all look great for the show. Break a leg. So we are wishing good luck to somebody. This way, we can use it in a better language. We usually use idioms to improve our set of vocabulary skills and the way of our writing skills. We would be doing sentences on the same in our Zoom classes. Children, if you still have doubts, you can always come back to me. Thank you.